Windows Rockford installation, IL, offers a unique opportunity to enhance your home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of bow window styles available, homeowners in Rockford can choose from custom bow windows that perfectly match their architectural preferences. Bow window installation experts in Rockford provide comprehensive bow window services, ensuring a seamless installation process that maximizes the benefits of these elegant window solutions. Energy-efficient bow windows in Rockford are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs while enjoying the beauty of natural light. These windows are designed with advanced materials that provide superior insulation, making them an excellent investment for any Rockford home. Bow window contractors in Rockford are skilled in installing energy-efficient bow windows, ensuring that your home remains comfortable year-round. The cost of bow window installation in Rockford can vary depending on several factors, including the size and design of the windows. Bow window installation cost. Rockford is influenced by the choice of materials and the complexity of the installation process. However, the long-term benefits of bow window installation, such as increased property value and energy savings, often outweigh the initial investment. Bow Windows Rockford replacement is an ideal solution for homeowners looking to upgrade their existing windows. Bow window replacement experts in Rockford can provide a range of options, from traditional to modern bow window designs, ensuring that your new windows complement your home's style. Bow window replacement. Rockford services are designed to enhance both the appearance and functionality of your home. Custom bow windows in Rockford offer homeowners the flexibility to create a unique look that reflects their personal style. With a wide range of bow window materials available, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum, custom bow windows Rockford can be tailored to meet specific design preferences. Bow window specialists in Rockford work closely with clients to deliver custom solutions that enhance the overall appeal of their homes. Bow window repair in Rockford is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Whether it's addressing minor issues or more significant damage, bow window repair. Rockford services ensure that your windows remain in optimal condition. Bow window maintenance. Rockford is crucial for preserving the beauty and functionality of your windows over time. The benefits of bow windows in Rockford extend beyond their aesthetic appeal. Bow window benefits. Rockford include increased natural light, improved ventilation, and enhanced views of the surrounding landscape. Bow window enhancement. Rockford can further improve these benefits, offering homeowners a more enjoyable living environment. Bow Windows Rockford design is a critical aspect of creating a cohesive look for your home. Bow window design. Rockford services focus on integrating the windows seamlessly with the existing architecture, ensuring a harmonious appearance. Bow window options. Rockford provide homeowners with a variety of design choices, from classic to contemporary styles. Bow window features in Rockford are designed to provide both beauty and functionality. Bow window features Rockford include options such as built-in seating, storage, and decorative elements that enhance the overall appeal of your home.